we're gonna try this again. We're gonna do one box of 2014 Panini Prestige Football, and this is another hybrid divisional 8-spotter. 3 for BJ, 3 for Finn, 2 for me. We're gonna roll the dice to see how many times. 4 times on this one. 4 times. We'll randomize each side 4 times. Here we go. This side first. Okay, that one's ready. Now let's do the divisions. So this down just a hair. That look good? AFC West. BJ, NFC West, AFC North, NFC East, AFC South, AFC East. Okay. Okay, I've only got two boxes of this in stock. Uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a 2. Whoops. The iPad. 2. Okay. Top box. Okay, guys. Best of luck. I'll ship everything except for veteran base out of this one too. Box number 88. I think there's 24 packs in this. Oh yeah, and this card too. We'll open that first. Empty. Okay, this card will also ship out. Clowny, that's cool. Clowny. Okay, guys, we're off. To 10, yeah. There's an Alex Smith, and the card will go to the logo on the card. So, like for Alex Smith, this would go to San Francisco. Does that make sense? Even though he's on the Chiefs now, and everybody knows that. There's a lot of base in this, isn't there? I gotta figure out a way to donate my base. We have Larry Fitzgerald. That's like an acetate shield insert. Alright, Finn. Just bought 2 baseball boxes. Okay. Do you want them broken live or do you want me to ship them sealed? That's cool. Trey Mason for the Rams. I like the inserts. So I think with this product you get live. Okay. With this product you get 4 hits, so it's actually not that bad of a product. That's nasty. Is that numbered? Looks like it should be numbered. Trey Mason, it's like a extra points parallel. It looks like it should be numbered, but it's not. Brandon Coleman. Still waiting on our first hit out of this. Yeah, I broke a couple boxes of this out at the National, but other than that, I haven't broken any of it. Colston and D Ford. Jordan Matthews draft picks. Cool looking cards. They did a nice job on those. And there's your rookie. This is thick. Oh yeah, Knighton. The airbrush thing, or I don't know what they did. I don't know why they do that. I guess they like that. Yeah, they try to rush it out. Really? All right, Batten. Yeah. Something that I need to do with all the extra base. I don't have anywhere to store it. Cody Latimer. Lorenzo Taliaferro for the Ravens, parallel. Trey Mason. Draft class and Jace. Shafarian Jenkins insert and Sankey. Still waiting on number 1, right? Acetate Robert Griffin. Yeah, I watched his film from Sunday. He didn't look very good. I don't know what's going on with him. This is probably a jersey. Nope, just a big spacer. Curly. Curly extra points purple to 100. And Josh Hush. Bortles, Road to the Show. That's not what we're looking for. Connor Shaw to 100, extra points. I guess it could be worse, right? Maybe. That's a cool looking insert though, Teddy. There's a James White in there. You got a stroke? Sorry, man, to hear about that. Yeah, it's the wrong Browns. That's not who we're looking for. Brandon Marshall and Dante Moncrief. "34 years old." Yeah, I just turned 30. I feel like I'm 40. Sammy Watkins. Mettenberger. Still waiting on 3 hits. Aaron Murray, Road to the NFL. And CJ. Base. That's awful, guys. 150 point card. Yeah. Have you seen what those are selling for now? Mike Evans. It's a cool card. Khalil Mack draft picks. Kind of like a hollow foil insert. Deshaun. Kadeem Carey, patch for the Bears. Not bad. Not numbered. And a McCarron. Are you kidding me? How? eBay. Last hit, Anthony Barr. So the NFC North did good. Finn, those last two hits went to you. Manziel prestigious picks. I'm not going to take the points card, so if you guys want me to, we could just do it this way. I'm closest to the number I'm thinking of between 1 and 10. BJ and Finn. I'll write it down. Okay. BJ's. Recap it. that was nothing. Anthony Barr, Kadeem Carey patch, points card, and Connor Shaw to 100. Thanks, guys.